friends, this has been a really good day for me because I received my Sam's Bead Box and my Didi's Deluxe Bead Box the same day. I'm so excited. Both of the boxes, though, have a unboxing date or reveal date, so you won't see this until after the 12th of the month. But this is the latest box for January 2026, and I'm opening it for the very first time. No idea what's in here. So let's see, it says this, the theme for this box is Free Spirit After Dark. As daylight fades, color deepens, and creativity takes us on a new rhythm. Free Spirit After Dark is inspired by that quiet, powerful moment when bold expression meets introspection. I love it. Okay. Free Spirit After Dark isn't about standing out loudly. It's about depth, movement, and beauty found when creativity continues after the lights go low. That's me. I'm not a very loud person. So this would probably match my personality and my spirit nicely. And it does. I get so excited. If you were to look at my channel, you will find that I am in love with the two boxes I received today. Didi Beads and Sam's Beads. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, she can't help herself. She just has to put beauty in these boxes. Okay, so let's see. What's the first thing? Free Spirit After Dark. Let's do it one thing at a time. So this is the Free Spirit After Dark inspired by Czech designer Strand. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It's like a shell and it has a wash on it. These are like melon rondelle beads with these square Czech beads. Oh my gosh, with little flowers, little baby flowers at the end. I love that. Okay, so we have a 7.5-inch 6mm AB white Tibetan Z bead mix. This one here with the bonus focal. Golly. Stella. Whew, girl, you can do this. This is your thing. Making these bead boxes is your thing. I don't know how you can stand it. This beauty is just crazy. So our next is 7 inches of 8x6 purple jade dyed faceted gemstone rondelles. Let's see, is it this one? Ooh wee! If you could see the deep purple here, what's on the video has more of a blue tinge to it, blue tint to it, but really these are a deep purple, deep, so pretty, so very pretty. You see, now that I pulled it back away from the light, it's darker. That's really, it still kind of looks blue, but it's really a deep purple. Golly, it's gorgeous. Now we have an 8-inch 6 to 8mm light amethyst irregular gemstone nuggets. Let's find that. Let's find that. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what these look like. Wow. Look at that. Am I right? Is this right? After Dark Twisted Square bead mix. No, I think that's what this is. No, because it says there's 10. Oh, yeah. Here's the nuggets. No, I'm wrong. That is not it. This is the nuggets. There they go. Light amethyst irregular gemstone nuggets. Pretty. They are purple. They are very light purple, but I can't wait to get those square beads back out again because they're gorgeous. So that's that. Then we have a deep indigo velvet Ishi shell discs. I love shell beads. I'm a pearl girl, shell girl. I love shell beads. I've got some wampum beads that are purple, and I'm in love with those too. This fits me so well. This box, Stella doesn't know me personally, but this box was for me. I'm claiming it. 10 inches of 8mm purple galaxy hexagon cut crystal bead mix. Okay, so let me see. I don't see any more strands. Okay, so this must be. Okay, let's look at it. Dang. Look at the shimmer on this. Oh my gosh, I don't know if the lighting does this justice. I want you to see just how shimmery this is. Can you imagine walking into a party and this is on your neck? Wow, everybody would be looking at you because these are so shiny. Oh my gosh, they're pretty. Now I'm back to my square beads here, right? Says there's 20 pieces. These are to the 10mm free spirit after dark twisted square bead mix. Yeah, that's this. The way I knew it before was because there is a twist to these. You probably cannot see it on the camera, but there is a twist. These, they are awesome. They're quite lovely. Then you have a 10-inch 4mm sapphire blue crystal bicone. Hey, it's in the name, BluSaffhire. I like. Can never go wrong with BluSaffhire. Mm-mm-mm. And then we have a, let's see, 13-inch 6x3 sapphire galaxy crystal tube. Be this. I can see why everything is called Galaxy because it's so shiny. But I can't wide open. Let's try it again. Here we go. So shiny. I can see using these in a second strand, maybe on a multi-strand bracelet. I could see these even as a necklace, a minimalist necklace to wear to work, which I always think about that when I'm creating jewelry, right? When I dress for work, I try to dress like professional and classy, right? Not saying that bold jewelry isn't classy, please don't get me wrong, but I just have a minimalist style. And I think about those things because I understate some things and overstate others. And when I say overstate, I'm talking about my intelligence. Okay, so let's see. 15-piece 6mm faceted turquoise gemstone coin. So let's see. Here we go. That's these. Those are nice. Those are really nice. The camera picks up really well the color this time. Those are pretty. And they are gemstones. Yeah. And then let's get our 10 pieces, 7x5, two-tone check bellflowers. Let's see, where's my bellflowers? Oh my. There's 10 pieces. Here we go. So the two tones are like a purple and like a pink color. There's two tones in there. See incorporating that and like maybe some earrings or a bracelet. And then we have one piece is a 10 by 15 millimeter, 14 karat gold plated light violet with crystal centered pendant. Pretty, very pretty. That is adorable. You see that? Yeah, I'm digging it. And then we have three pieces, 10 to 15 millimeter, 14 karat gold plated textured bead frame. Let's see. Three pieces. Okay, so here's some bead frames right here. There's two small and one large. Yeah, I need more of those in my life for sure. And then we have a set of two-tone resin flower bud charms. These are cute. These are really cute. Oh, flower buds. See that? Love, love, love. And then 1 yard of purple and turquoise with gold sequin twisted cotton cord. Hmm. Yeah, that's nice. Some people would use like a cord like this and tie it outside of the box. This one is in the box. So I'm thinking about ways it can be used right now. How would you use a cord like this? Would you use it to string your beads on and make it a necklace? Would you use it for a bracelet? Would you incorporate it in your earrings? I just got an idea just now about how to use it while I was asking you. And then let's see. I don't see the bonus. Supposed to have a bonus of a one-piece 14 karat gold plated brass tanzanite zircon hourglass spacer, and I don't have it. So I think I'll just ask Stella about it because I don't see it here. My box is empty. So I'll ask her about it. Nonetheless, I will never say that I am not satisfied with what I have gotten from Didi Beads. I'm very happy with what's here, and I will reach out. I'm sure she will let me know what's going on with the bonus. And I will be back in another video putting all of this together. I'm so happy to have received it today. I hope you like what you see here. It is worth the wait because the boxes that come from Canada take a while to get to you. But it was worth the wait for me, for sure. I wonder if it would have been worth the wait for you. Until next time, go and make something beautiful. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.